part for part 2. Yes, it's here. And P.S. I am sick and there'll be more shaking. Let's get started with the episode.
Hi guys, I'm thinking we'll have a baby.
What?
Mama!
What the?
Mama!
I'm Daddy. There's
Dada!
There's Mama.
Mama!
First kiss.
But it's her. But it's Mom's second kiss because
That's
when
cool. We had a baby.
Mama!
Here's your son. Hi. We look alike.
Mama!
No, goodbye.
High five!
Yay! I want a high five. Everybody, Giladies, my name is Kai. You're not Jacksepticeye. Aww. So, Mom, what do we do now? So, Honey Bunches, what do we do now?
I don't know. I can't want to teach him how to fly.
Yeah, okay, let's teach him how to fly. We already teach Penguin how to fly now. Now,
I can teach him how to fly.
teach him how to fly?
Or her to fly.
Okay,
It's a girl.
okay. Okay. Wait, is it a girl or a boy? Is it a girl or a boy?
It was a girl because it came out of my belly.
That's weird. It could be a boy, you know. Good. Okay, come over here. Son, come over here.
Okay.
Okay, where's the new baby?
Hey, I know what to name him.
What?
Baby Alexander.
Baby Alexander.
Nah.
Or Alexander?
Yeah, sure, Alexander. Dada.
Okay, you ready to learn how to fly?
Yes, Dada.
Man, you already know how to talk. Okay, watch me. Okay, watch me. Okay? You just get off the cliff and go. And you just fly back.
Okay.
When you feel like you're about to fall, come right back. You did it!
But do we have to go on an errand, Dada?
We could go to Town Carvis.
What the heck?
Town Carvis.
What
Hey,
the
you
beep?
never. Okay. You never heard of Town Carvis?
No.
Well, you are a newborn. You should have heard inside your mom. Okay,
I think I know where it is. It's a place where poop is everywhere. Where people all poop in their pants. Or
no.
birds all poop in their pants.
Town Carvis is the best town ever. You want to go?
Sure.
But wait. Oh, it's supposed to be stormy.
Ah.
But just keep trying. Okay, I'm gonna do the front flip. This one's really scary.
I'm going to try it first.
Whoa! You did it!
I also did the 2 steps like one where you like this.
Well, this is the corkscrew. You go. Now, oh my God, son! This is the best day ever. Actually, when we got married, it was. Who cares? The best day so far.
Wait, where's Penguin? Guys, I'm just watching over here.
Yeah, I want to watch. Yeah, I want to watch over here too.
I'm going to help.
Now we're gonna do the Papa Lico but.
Okay.
This is how we do it. You do coaster while you're doing a front flip.
Okay.
Oh, you're doing it. Now you can stop when you want to. Oh my God. Whoa! Whoa! You learned how to fly. Now it's time to fly. Like normal, like in the air, like this.
Okay. I'm
Your
good.
turn.
I'm a butterfly. I'm a butterbird.
A butterbird. Are you just saying that?
Yeah, because I'm like a butterfly. Don't my wings look like a butterfly's wings?
Nah, you look like a pigeon.
I'm not a pigeon.
Yeah, you are.
Oh, yeah, I am.
Oh my God, son! Wow, son.
I am an airplane flying.
Okay, son, you can stop. Oh no, son. Son, you can stop now.
I'm good at flying.
Yeah, you are.
Yep, you are. I'm good at flying too, but I can't do it like this. I can only do it like this. This is how I used to do it. Whoa!
Oh, of course, you fell again.
Well, yeah, I was just showing them how I used to fly. Showing them how I used to fly.
Okay.
Wait, you want to watch TV? No, no TV for me. Only food. And no. Okay.
You brought us food? You serious? You brought us food?
A big piece of meat.
That's a dog.
Oh, sorry.
It was dog yellow.
Oh, no. I don't know. I'm tired. Let's go get you an apple.
Well, I guess this is the end of The Bird Family Part 2.